In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your data private in ChatGPT. In recent times, as we rely more on digital tools and services, ensuring the privacy of our personal data has become critically important. With ChatGPT, there are settings available that allow you to maintain control over your data. I'll guide you through these settings so you can feel confident in your use of the platform. The first thing you'll want to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This is our starting point. Once you're on the Google homepage, type ChatGPT into the search bar. The process is straightforward and similar to searching for anything else on Google. Hit enter and you'll see the search results populate the page. Now, you'll need to look for the official ChatGPT website in the search results. It should be among the top listings. When you find it, click on the link to be directed to the ChatGPT homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice various options and settings that cater to a wide range of functionalities and preferences. Next, focus your attention on the lower left corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it. This will bring up various options related to your account. Among these options is the Settings tab, which is crucial for adjusting your account preferences and protecting your privacy. Click on Settings to proceed. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see an option labeled Data Controls. This is where you'll manage your preferences on how your data is handled. Click on Data Controls to access the necessary settings for maintaining your data privacy. Within the Data Controls settings, you'll see a toggle switch labeled On. This setting is an indicator of the current status of data handling preferences on your account. If this is switched on, you have the option to turn it off to enhance your data privacy. Click on the toggle to turn it off. After clicking the toggle, you'll notice that there's a change in status indicating your data handling preference has been updated. The last step you need to complete is to confirm these changes. Look for the Done button, which is typically located at the bottom of the settings menu. Click on it, and you'll finalize the changes you've just made. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully adjusted the settings to keep your data private while using ChatGPT. It's always recommended to periodically check these settings, especially after updates, to ensure your privacy remains intact. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to prioritize your digital safety whenever you're online.